Hi, how are you? Hopefully everybody will be fine. First of all, I apologize for my previous video in which in the video there will be noise, and also you have seen that maybe there will be the code will be not visible. So both of these issues will be cleared in this video. And if you face any other video, kindly comment me so that that query can also be resolved, and I will serve you in the better way. So come to the code. First of all, today our topic is that how to create a workbook through VBA, and after creating workbook that we have to rename the newly created workbooks. As you know that there are different methods, and in today's videos I will elaborate these different available methods through which our workbook can be created and renamed through the user. So let's now first start from that thing. As you seen that I have created a subroutine with the name create new workbook. So first method, it is the most simplest way of creating new workbooks dot add, just add, mention after workbook written dot add, new workbook has been created. Now we want to save this workbook, we have to write active workbook dot save as, and after that we have specify the path along with the name. I am selecting D drive and semicolon / and just mention the workbook name. Let's see, Abbas dot XLS. Okay, now I am going to run out this code. Now come to the D drive. It's my D drive. Here is the workbook Abbas. One thing should be mentioned that here you should mention the format of the file newly created. As in coding we are specifying the further workbook type that what we need. It's simple XLS, macro enable or template. So currently it's just a simple workbook. Although it's a very basic process, but it is not very convenient as I think so. Although it seems to be just a little bit manual process, not fully automated. So in the next method we will ask the user to mention the file name of the workbook to rename the workbook through VBA code. So we will mark it method to just started from the basic thing, workbooks dot add, sorry, I pardon, name fn as string. Now fn is a variable declared with the string parameter, and fn is equal to input box, kindly enter workbook name, input box. It's very useful function, I like it. I like the most functions of Excel workbook, which are input box and message box. These resolve a lot of queries. If you want to save, if you want to see where your workbook are being saved, and then we use message box. And we want to a user to add any parameter, anything, just use input box and store it in a variable. After that we will name our workbook. Now in name has been entered by the user which has been stored in function variable. Now we will save it, active workbooks dot save as file name. When you specify when you write workbook dot save as, it will and after giving space it will type file name, it will show different parameters. Currently we don't need all these parameters. We are giving you a very simple way, so these are not required at this time. Dot fn, and again mention that in which format this workbook will be. Okay, now I want to know that where my workbook name has been changed. Active workbook dot name in the same way where this file has been stored. Path, run the code. Have you seen that what is remitted? Kindly enter workbook name. Currently we press OK, it will run. If we press cancel, it will not run, which will be clear in next video, that how we will control different how we will control and further increase the user interface through this command. Now let it name it Abbas1. Press enter. File has been created and save an Abbas1 XLS, and now where the path. This is the path of our new. Now I will check in this format folder that is the file has been saved there or not. Sorry. Come to the users, Quram Shahzad, documents, Abbas1. Similarly, we can check it from here also, Abbas1. In this step, we have added different. We have added a slightly automation that user will enter the file name. It's a second method. Now coming to the third method. It will be little bit. It will further. It will this method 3 is one step ahead of method 2. How? Let me clear it. First of all, I will create parameter workbook name as workbook. So I think I should declare this code as comments, so this can't be run. Another useful function which is now I am explaining is fn is equal to application dot get save as file name. In this this method has been little bit different from the above method. That how in this method first we assign name to workbook and specify the format and store workbook in the variable. Through method 3 it comprises of 3 steps. So variable has been declared, application get file name has been specified, which will ask you to enter the file name of the newly created workbook. That we will active workbook dot save as, exactly same command, file name which has been explained above. set. Now we are storing our newly created workbook in a variable. Message box wb dot name. Now I am pressing F5 key. Now have you seen that what this function has done? Application.get save as file name. At the first stage it asks user to specify the part where you want to save the newly created workbook. At here I have come and now I am giving the file name. Let's see, Abbas 2. Save it, Abbas 2, and come to the desktop. And now you have seen that file has been clicked, save there. What is the beauty of this third method? It's the beauty of this method. Third method. Sorry for being iteration in my language. I like this method, and I will recommend all of you to only use this method. In this method, first of all, that code will ask user to name the workbook and also specify the path, so that file will be saved there. After that, while this command what it will do, it is providing three functions. This command is performing three functions: creating workbook, assigning path, and naming the workbook. So all of our previously adopted method require some manual steps, while this is fully automated. It will ask user to specify where you want to save, what you want to name the file name, and where you want to save. So I will recommend all of you this. Again, I will want to run out this code. Press F5. Now I want to save it at downloads, Abbas 3. Abbas 3. Also it can be checked further with path. Again press downloads, Abbas 4, and this is the path, downloads. Thank you. If you have any questions, kindly let me know, and I apologize for my English accent and fluency. Hopefully it will be clear now. It will be okay in the coming videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. If you have any question, kindly post in the comments and like my channel and like the video. Thank you, bye.